Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk to you today about this delicious flavor of Pepsi Zero. It is Pepsi Zero Cherry. So this is one of my go-tos. My kids really love any of the pops that have a cherry flavor. I'm a huge fan of Pepsi and Pepsi Zero. So this is just an amazing combination. One thing that really drew me to this is just the way that they have the design. The cherries on the black can just looks so appealing. It's making you want to have one. I love to pour this just in a cup. I love to have it on ice especially. It's just something so refreshing. I do like when they do flavors for different pops. It's something different and it's just so good. So I love the box as well. Has the beautiful design with the cherries all over it. I love that they have a handle on the box, and you do get 12 cans in this, so you have enough for everyone. It's so good, and it's one thing that we all love, so that's a bonus, and that's just my point of view.